all. Hey beans lovers! So today on She Cooks It All, we are going to cook this delicious, creamy, scrumptious bean stew. Gather around because this is a must try. So I'm using red kidney beans, but this works with any beans of your choice. We start the night before, measure your beans. I'm using 500 gram of dry bean, give them a good wash, and then we are going to soak them in cold water overnight, minimum 12 hours. And now this is the next day. The beans has plumped up. We are going to discard of that bean, place the bean in the pan, add in some cold water, season with a little bit of salt, and then we are going to start the cooking process. First, I like to boil my bean on high for about 10 minutes. After that, I'm going to reduce the heat to simmer on low and cover and allow the bean to cook fully. To know that your bean has cooked, just take one and give it a squeeze, and if it squeeze easily, not mushy, that means your beans are ready. Cooking time will depend on the bean you are using, guys, so I cannot really tell you when, but just that's how you check. Once the beans are ready, we're going again to discard of that boiling water, and then let's do the magic with the sauce, guys. This is where the secret lies now. Okay, so to make the sauce, we are going to use a little bit of oil, heat that up on medium heat, fry the onion until they are nice and soft, about 2 to 3 minutes I will say, and again I'm cooking on a medium heat. And then once the onion are nice and soft, we are going to add in our bay leaf, again fry for another 30 seconds or so, allow that also to release their aroma in the oil. We are going to add in minced garlic and fry again this for another 30 seconds, just so that it increase its aroma or whatnot. Okay, another secret, we are going to fry our seasoning, and here I'm using curry curry powder, black pepper and salt. Frying your curry, it help it increase it or intensify its flavor, guys. Try this, just about 30 seconds and you are good to go. Okay, and then we're going to add in our tomato, and now we're going to cook this. This is where the secret lies. You need to take your time to fry your tomato. You are going to fry this on that medium heat, turning occasionally until the tomato is fully cooked and fried. You know that it is when the oil is separating from the sauce. Can you see now? It's not. It all mixed up. However, you will see the difference in just about a minute. That shows that the tomato is fully cooked, nice and fried. Can you see? This is what I'm talking about. Fry, take your time until the oil has separated from all those vegetables. That when your sauce is ready. Okay, see the difference, and it has changed a little bit of a color. Your sauce is ready. Don't skip this stage. This is what will make your sauce, guys. And now we are adding in the cooked bean and mix that well, guys. After mixing this, we are going to add in now our magic. We are going to add in there the coconut milk, and I'm using coconut milk from the can. Use only the concentrated part, guys. I'm going to leave the full recipe on the blog, so do go check that out. I season this with a little bit of soy sauce just for as a whole purpose seasoning, but it's up to you. This is my coconut cream. Again, it's the can of coconut milk, and you only use the cream from the top, and add in a little bit of water, about a cup, depending on how soupy you like your bean stew. Okay, guys, so I added in hot water, and I'm using like about a cup or a cup and a half. Cover, let this simmer gently for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, guys, ooh, can you see what I'm saying, guys? This is one of the best bean recipe, guys. It goes well with everything: rice, bread, plantain, potato, anything you like. This I hope you're inspired, guys, and I hope you give this a go. I served this with some roasted sweet potato, and ooh, it was so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch until now, until next time, bye.